Hello students, good morning all of you. In the previous video, we have already read about active voice, what is voice and how many types of voice. There are two types of voice, first active voice and second passive voice. And also we have completed present indefinite simple tense. Okay, now in this video we will read about present continuous tense. Okay, and present continuous active voice and passive voice, how we will change this. Okay, let us see present continuous tense. Present continuous. Okay, present continuous tense. What is the helping verb of this auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb is being, am being, are being. Okay, is being, am being and are being. Now write, first of all we will write here. सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर एक्टिव वॉइस. ओके, एक्टिव वॉइस का स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे. व्हाट इज द एक्टिव वॉइस, व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. सेम हियर वी विल राइट हियर. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस का जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है वही एक्टिव वॉइस में प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस हम लिखेंगे स्ट्रक्चर. व्हाट, सब्जेक्ट प्लस subject is am are plus verb fourth form plus object. Now let us see the example. By example, Ram is verb fourth form. Verb fourth form means verb plus ing. Verb first form plus ing. Ram is writing a letter. Okay. Now I have already told about this. One and two, three things is common in the all tenses. First of all, your subject and object interchanged and verb third form plus by. ये आपको present tense से start future tense तक आपका ये रहेगा. बाकी according to आपके structure के according ही आपको sentence बनाना. ठीक. तो सब्जेक्ट इज एम आर प्लस वर्ब फोर्थ फॉर्म. दिस इज योर सब्जेक्ट, इज वर्ब फोर्थ फॉर्म, और लेटर इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, नाउ चेंज दिस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट हियर व्हाट, स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट, वी विल राइट हियर ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट जो है आपका वो यहाँ क्या बन जाता है, सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है. सब्जेक्ट प्लस यस, यहाँ क्या बताया गया, इज बीइंग, एम बीइंग, आर बीइंग. ठीक, सब्जेक्ट इज बीइंग, आर बीइंग, एम बीइंग. ओके, आफ्टर दैट सब्जेक्ट इज बीइंग, आर बीइंग, आफ्टर दैट verb third form, very good, plus by plus object. Okay, so change this sentence into passive voice. Ram is writing a letter. Let us see, हम लोग चेंज करेंगे. a letter ये आपका सब्जेक्ट से यहाँ से ऑब्जेक्ट से बनकर यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा, सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा. a letter, ऑल लेटर मीन्स एक पत्र ना. यहाँ पे ऑल लेटर की बात हो रही है. इट मीन्स हियर इज बी. a letter is being verb third form. Write, wrote, written. Very good. Write, wrote, written. A letter is being written by subject. Which subject? Ram. तो सब्जेक्ट यहाँ आपका जो ऑब्जेक्ट बन रहा है ना, अ लेटर इज बीइंग रिटन बाय राम. ओके, so this is complete. Present continuous tense. Present continuous, all the rules complete. Present continuous completed. Now let us see present perfect. Present perfect. Present perfect tense. Passive voice. Okay. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb in passive voice. Auxiliary verb in passive voice. Present perfect. Has, have and been. Okay. Has been and had been. Now let us see active voice. Active voice structure. Present perfect tense का आप structure लिखोगे इसमें active voice में. Okay. Subject plus has, have plus verb third form plus object. This is ना subject plus has, have plus verb third form plus object. ये आपका active voice का बन गया. ठीक है. Now let us see the example. I have written a letter. Okay, I have written a letter. Now let us see what is the structure of passive voice in present perfect tense. Okay, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में आपका पैसिव वॉइस का क्या स्ट्रक्चर होगा. सबसे पहले आपका ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज, हैव प्लस बीन. बस बाकी सब आपका वैसे सेम टू सेम रहेगा. हैज, हैव प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाय प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सब्जेक्ट हैज, हैव प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाय प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. अब आपका ये क्लियर. नाउ चेंज दिस सेंटेंस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. आई हैव रिटन अ लेटर. अ लेटर, a letter is your object, subject. Here is your subject, but here is your object. Now a letter has or have? Has. Been, verb third form, write, wrote, written, plus by plus object. आई का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस क्या बनता है? व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव केस ऑफ आई? मी. वेरी गुड. ओके, अ लेटर हैज बीन रिटन बाय मी. सो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब ऑफ द हैज, हैव बीन. एंड एक्टिव वॉइस सब्जेक्ट हैज, हैव वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट. पैसिव वॉइस सब्जेक्ट हैज, हैव बीन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाय प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. एग्जांपल, आई हैव रिटन अ लेटर. दिस इज एक्टिव वॉइस. एंड when we will change into passive voice, the sentence, a letter has been written by me. Okay, now next, now let us see past simple tense. Okay, past simple tense passive voice. Okay, now all of you listen to me very carefully. Past perfect, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future continuous and future perfect continuous tense. No passive voice of these tenses. Okay, चार टेंसों का पैसिव वॉइस नहीं है और बनता भी है तो उसको बाद में आपको बताएंगे रेयर कैसे आपको उसको बनाना है, ठीक है। अभी यहाँ पे आपको ओनली 8 पार्ट्स के पैसिव वॉइस बताया जाएगा, ठीक है। नाउ लेट अस सी पास्ट सिंपल टेंस पैसिव वॉइस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट द auxiliary verb of helping verb of this. What? Was, were. Okay. Was or subject plus verb second form plus object. Okay. This is the past simple of active voice. Subject, verb second form plus object. Now let us see the example. I purchased a pen. I purchased a pen. Okay. I is your subject. Purchased is the second form of verb. A pen. I purchased a pen. मैंने एक पेन खरीदा. Okay. Now change this passive voice. First of all, we will write here structure. Okay. Subject plus was verb plus verb third form plus by plus object. ठीक, इसका सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट आएगा was verb और verb third form plus by plus object. I purchased a pen. A pen is your subject. Here a pen was. A pen ना means एक पेन की बात हो रही है. A pen was purchased by I purchased na me. Okay. A pen was purchased by me. Now next, past simple completed, past continuous. Past continuous. What is the auxiliary verb of this? Was being, were being. ठीक है. was being और were being होगा past continuous में. auxiliary verb means helping verb. And see the structure of active voice. सबसे पहले आपका subject आएगा. after that subject plus was were. Was were plus verb fourth form plus object. Okay. Subject was were plus. Let us see the example. He was writing a letter. See here very carefully. Listen to me. Also, subject आपका आया. Was according to your subject was writing verb fourth form a letter. Okay. Now what is passive voice structure? Passive voice का structure क्या बनता है? Subject plus was being, was verb plus being plus verb third form plus by plus object. ठीक. Now change this sentence. He was writing a letter. A letter is your object na. So here subject a letter, okay, was being, a letter was being, very good, a letter was being written by, ही का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस क्या बन जाएगा, him, okay. Now present past simple and past continuous, all the rule completed. Let us see next.